Hello everyone. So we are back with yet another episode of Daily Trivia series New Questions Every Day as a part of number 13 episode. Yes, we missed yesterday due to some technicalities, but nevertheless we are again filling the spot. So let's begin. This was our day before yesterday's question. In this, we were asking about an American who popularized a Western tie, and he also popularized a restaurant chain which he founded. And we were demanding the name of the restaurant chain and that American. For the clue, we gave you the image of the Western tie. Let me show you the image. Yeah, this was the image of that Western tie which that American popularized. And the answer is yes, Colonel Sanders and Kentucky Fried Chicken. KFC or Kentucky Fried Chicken is a very popular restaurant food chain. And Colonel Sanders was the one who found it. So let's go to today's question. Yeah, number 13. This Tuller Index was created by JP Morgan Bank in 2019 to track the impact of certain events that were increasingly affecting market volatility. According to the bank, the increase in the frequency of these events necessitated the creation of this tool. The name of the index is a clever word play on one such event. Name the tool. So basically, the tool or index was created by the JP Morgan Bank in 2019. Like we have several tools, we have several market tools like Nifty, we have like Sensex. These are tools by which we can measure the market, what market sentiments, market emotions. The way like this tool works, the same one more tool was there which was created by JP Morgan Bank in 2019. What was it was different but in certain ways from the traditional tools, as in the way that it used to grab the emotions or sentiments of the market with respect to a certain category of events, a certain kind of event. Now that kind of event was permanently banished from 2020 December onwards due to a political upheaval. Now you need to tell me what is the name of that tool or index. For a clue, we will give you the graph representation of that tool. Now this is the graph representation of the tool. You can see that the that index is represented by dark blue line, and the something other that on the parameter on which that index is being calculated is being represented by light blue line. And this is the graph. You can see that, just notice the timeline: September 7 2017, March 2018, September 2018. If you are knowing about the politics of especially America, you can guess this question very nicely. Okay, so just you need to tell me the name of this tool. Thank you. Next question and answer number 13 shall be updated tomorrow. You need to answer in the link provided in the description box.